enjoying your games. What the hell?
Ang tawag dito,
Ay, kala ko
Pag
nagbabay
ito
na.
hindi naging part ng vlog mo.
kailangan natin ng ano. On, ano ba? On Friday, anong oras tayo? Pag-compile nyo na lang yung mga
This is not auto. Hindi naka-auto yun.
Nasa si Fiam.
Si Fiam.
Yes. Where are we, guys? Ay! Katniel pa rin siya. Katniel fan spotted.
Nag-relapse siya kasi sa ano.
Actually. Ano opinion mo sa Hello Love Goodbye?
God, hindi ko nanood.
Ay, okay na.
So I want the crew, the prop,
The
Jesus take the wheel.
sino ka chat mo? Meron ba?
Since birth.
Ay, since birth. Baka nanay mo yan.
Jowa.
Si Cesar.
Single ba jowa mo?
Sino magjowa? Look ko, ayun yung food nila. Ayun. Here's mine. Oh, nagtitipid kasi ako. Can I exist? So, nagsastory. Hi guys! It's so, ay! Pinakita lang namin yung Teo. Saan tayo pupunta?
Kalimutan ko na.
Ay, so check po kami ng
Meron sa bayan, ano tayo? As tayo ng mga hardware store doon na kung pwede silang mag-sponsor ng food, gano'n.
hardware. Akala ko food. Wood pala sinabi mo. Sorry, my bad. Video yan ha.
Video nga daw yan.
What's your food, guys?
All of
Oh,
this.
it's so nice. It's a platter of
Sorry pag nalaglag.
So, kain na kami. So, guys, ito si Thea. So, ito si Lance.
Pero I take picture. Mag-iyan na yung third place. Pag yung mga gravy.
Atin ba yun?
Bakla. Ilagay mo lahat ng kanin nga sa ano, tapos maglagay kang gravy.
Actually, that's clever. That's our...
Wait lang, wala pa kang pagkain.
Sinasabi ko nga, lagay mo yung kanin mo sa plato, tapos maglagay ka ng
Oo, dito malagay yung gravy.
Wait lang kasi.
Paano yung tapo ate?
Ano na naman?
Ganun. Baka maban tayo dito sa KFC.
I-play mo na lang ulit kapag may gravy na.
Cut here. You're so pink. Okay, we're so back. We're so back sa Bulso. So, what's your comment about this phenomena?
What phenomenon?
This, LGBTQ plus phenomena.
Oh!
Ayun, may dinosaur. I like her.
I'm straight.
Storya mo yan eh. Ikaw bida
Convince
dyan.
yourself.
Sabi ko nga, kwento.
Are you a model?
Yes.
16 to above.
Thanks.
Arizona. Team Arizona. Team Arizona.
Oh, tomorrow is the grand finale. So we're here at Pim.
You face the camera sa'yo. Sa'yo mo nga i-face, hindi sa
I want the ice cream with with lots of tinapay.
I can't even...
Like,
And then that's not ice cream anymore.
That's
That's ice cream flavored tinapay.
shut up.
You miss me so much, BFF, ha?
Pink. Wala akong Opo, isa pang tinapay.
Ako rin kuya, tinapay with the K.
Ay,
Kulang kayo sa tinapay.
so sarap. It's so yummy. Like, this is my Whopper. Yeah.
Like ano, kuya.
25 daw.
Yeah, it has
Just as unhealthy as Junior Mama.
It has chia seeds. Look like chia seeds. It has chia seeds on it. You're so pink. Like parang may pinagmamalaki ka.
Like your blush on.
May nakapig yung kay Jeremy.
Pinky siya.
Ano daw?
Aray ko!
Ang pink mo ngayon, may pinapatunayan ka ba?
I'm straight.
Storya mo yan eh. Ikaw
Not
bida
really.
dyan. Sabi
Ano to?
Para ma-distinguish yung
Airport.
company niyo sa amin.
Ayun, maglalagay ng
Masakit,
bahay.
diba?
Hindi, pag lumapag siya dyan, ano meron?
Tatandaan na siya.
Asan yung...
Pag lumabas na siya, sa kabilang board na siya.
Wala na to talaga.
Una, nagtitesis kayo, so para mas karamihan at least. Para at least mas maging mas matali siya dahil nga una para preparation dun sa ano nyo. Medyo presentation. So, ito yun yung i-highlight nyo dun sa ano, dun sa video. Session. Pero kung ayaw nyo, lagi ko sinasabi, di ba?
Mahal-mahalan sila.
Ito agad.
Yes. HBD. Ang tawag dito ay DIY, make your own cake.
Papagod na ako guys. Tingin ka dito.
Ay, pa-join. Pa-join.
Pa-join!
Just say I really shitty these guys.
Where is everybody? Nobody's here. Must be a mistake.
Ayun! Happy birthday, Teya!
Ba't ang lamig? Yeah. Happy birthday, Tay!
si Gian Bernardino pa yan?
Yes! Video yan, te. So guys, ayun, pupunta kami sa campus 2 kasi hindi pa kami nakakapunta doon. Like, we're going to...
Student lunch.
whatever she said.
Pati ka na, face.
Ay,
Oh my God, guys! Story time! Harold, touchdown! Touchdown! In-award
I was like,
Ba, nagulat ka pa.
oh, that's a tama raw!
Oh, yes!
That's the ano, diyan kami pumunta. That's sulit lang. Eto sila, gago!
We're gonna be an artist.
For tomorrow. So, watch out! BB, collab, watch out. So, actress siya for today.
Yes, I'm a gonna!
Shopping and si Boots. Si Boots ba siya?
Yeah.
Si Miss Rachel ay no, nakadilaw.
Wala visual.
Sobrang pagod na ako. Antemaloy. So yun guys. Ilang minutes na lang before our play starts. Ito po ang ating technique.
7 minutes.
Ang ating technical committee. Yes. Ang production. Ay, di baliw.
Perfection talaga tayo.
Ano tayo?
Ito yung bata.
Tanggalin yung katawan. Kasi papanang ka na.
Mother.
Ang ina ng bata.
Yung tatay, oh.
Oh my gosh!
Go. Ay, si Dora! Si Sadako ba yan?
Dora! Nasaan? No! Vika! Woo!
Gosh, this place is so cute.
Right like my ass.
Oh, not really. 1, 2, 3, go.
Hi guys, this is the official room tour of our Airbnb.
Come in.
This is our house pala, hindi siya Airbnb.
Yeah.
Modern. Great for art students like us.
Yeah. What's the amenities of this house, by the way?
Can you spell amenities first? I noticed the mirror. It's so cute.
Yeah, it's so... Yeah, hey guys. I think we should go upstairs and...
Oh, let's go.
Oh.
Let's go. So cutesy. May fire extinguisher. Kala mo arson tayo.
Actually. So this is... Oh, this is our view, guys. Ay, may extra bed talaga. Like, we should meet Aya and make them pay also. Ayan, oh.
What's this room? Oh,
Sorry, but I don't take your spirit away. Bye, Dad.
I'll catch up to you then.
We should be proud of our girls. We? Yes. The sluts are out.
chill. Walang bida.
Truck na lang kaya.